You want to smash William Blake's London in under 3 minutes? Let's go! Blake's song-like poem has 4-line quatrains, creating a very consistent effect, as if something is highly organised and managed. Its quatrains maintain the ABAB rhyme scheme throughout. This emphasises the song-like feel that this poem has, and it belongs to the Songs of Innocence and Experience selection that he wrote. Its structure enables us to accompany Blake as he tours the city, and we marvel in his very insightful perspective of what London truly offers the lower and working classes. The first stanza employs what he can see, the second what he can hear, and then the third stanza moves to criticising the institutions that uphold this exploitative and neglectful system of class. In the third stanza, the nouns church, soldier, palace all symbolise the institutions that oppress the masses. Therefore, they contrast juxtaposed with the chimney sweeper, who actually symbolises the pain and suffering that these lower class people endure to service the wills and needs of the upper and middle classes who do not appreciate them at all. His oxymoron, marriage hearse, symbolises how the lower classes are literally married to their grave. They are born to die. They will not have any happy experiences in their life. Equally, the influence of the darker side of life is clear here. Sexually transmitted diseases were rife at this time. Coupled with the quite disturbing youthful harlot, he's emphasising how young people are exploited into prostitution and therefore their bodies created into a commodity market offer them a way out. However, this will actually keep them entrenched in the lower class positions that they're in, as abuse, neglect and addiction will grasp them. Plus, any children born will also be in this cycle. Hence, the youthful harlot that blasts her baby, that harsh blast, that onomatopoeic, is really emphasising there is no love, no security, no safety here. You are literally born and put to work. In fact, childhood is not even a legal concept at this time. Therefore, Blake creates a polemic feel. He's attacking the capital and all that it stands for, its corruption and its upholding of the idea of poverty and enabling the impoverished to suffer. My favourite quote is "Blood runs down palace walls." This is Blake instructing us to consider the French Revolution. We do have a voice, and actually we outnumber them. So why are we not uprising and overthrowing what oppresses us? That's a really good point, and maybe still applies today, perhaps. Follow for more.